Hello everybody and welcome back to Money Mentor. Google Translate is an application by Google that allows the translation of words and phrases from one language to another with a great accuracy rate. It is quite simple to use and doesn't involve any special skills. So try this out today and earn up to $100 a day. Today we're going to be discussing ways to make $100 per day using Google Translate. Ensure you stay until the end as you don't want to miss this fantastic technique that could get you rich quickly. Number 6. Make a PayPal. PayPal is a digital wallet for storing money. Online jobs are continuously rising, making it essential to find ways to keep your cash digitally through online wallets. One of the best and most safest ways to store money is through PayPal. With PayPal, you can easily send and receive payments anywhere, anytime. You can also instantly send money from one user to another. You can add a bank account and bank cards to your PayPal, and you can easily withdraw your money as well. You can withdraw into your bank account and then go to an automated teller machine, ATM, to get the cash. For you to sign up with PayPal, first you will need to visit the PayPal website and go to the top of the page. Look for the sign up button and click on it. It will ask you if you would like to make a personal account or a business account. After clicking, select a personal account. It will require you to enter some details to set up an account. You will need a valid email address and a secure password. After providing all the required information, click enter and you're all set. You can also download the PayPal app on your mobile device and start earning money. And it really is that simple. Number 5. Go to Latium. Latium is an excellent platform where people are looking for jobs and bid on various jobs available. On this website, you will see job postings for freelancers. It's easy to use and great for earning. On the Latium website, clients post either bid projects or instant hire projects. Bid projects are those jobs that are meant to be bid on, so freelancers will have to offer their best price and good proposals to get hired. Instant hire is those jobs that allow clients to instantly hire someone who can take the job. Freelancers will start on these projects right away, and then clients will review the work. Clients can also choose whether they want to hire one or multiple freelancers. Once they hire, they will make payment once they are satisfied with the work, so ensure your work is good enough for you to get paid. When signing up on Latium, you first visit their website, and on the top of the main page, you will click on the blue Sign Up for Free button. The signing up is free, so once you click on that button, you'll be led to a page where you will need to enter a valid email address, full name, username, and password. After filling in all that info, click Continue, and then you're all set to start looking for work through Latium. It's that simple. And now, look for job postings and start getting to work. It is best for you to look for the instant hire jobs so that you can start right away and get paid quicker. Number 4. Go to Fiverr. Fiverr is a website used by freelancers to sell their services, while clients use it to find services. It is beneficial to both parties since there are a ton of different categories of services on Fiverr. You can find logo designers, app developers, and website auditors. If you are a freelancer, you can set up virtually any job imaginable. Maybe you think that you don't have the skills to work on Fiverr. Well, you're mistaken. Many people have simple tasks like sending birthday greeting videos and writing simple jokes. To earn with Google Translate, you'll need to sign up for as many writing jobs as possible. Fiverr is one of the top freelancing websites to find ample opportunity as a freelancer. When creating an account on Fiverr, first go to the Fiverr website. On the top of the page, click on the button saying Become a Seller. A new page will appear where you will click on the green button to become a seller again. It will ask you to enter your email address, and when you do that, you're ready to go. Additionally, you can sign up with Google, Facebook, and Apple accounts. After signing up, you will need to set up a task. This is effortless, so set up a job that offers translation services. You can offer translation for many different categories like subtitles and documents. You will also have to set your own price, so think of a fair price that will earn you a decent profit. And remember, Fiverr will take a small cut from each sale that you make. Number 3. Go to Upwork. Upwork is an online work platform where freelancers and clients interact to conduct business. On this website, you will be searching for a job instead of posting jobs. Clients will put up job postings, and you will be able to see these numerous categories. From graphic design to video editing to information technology. Here you will find what you are looking for, as well as a freelancer. Just as any other freelancing sites, you do not require immense skills to work on Upwork. You just need a basic understanding of the task you're doing and how the website works. Upwork requires you to turn in a few points for a proposal you send to a client, so you must have points to submit proposals on Upwork. Send in a polished resume and cover letter to make sure that you land the job, since many people will be bidding on the same job. To sign up for Upwork, first go to their website. At the top of the page, click on the green Sign Up button. You're then going to get asked for your work email. When looking for your preferred job, browse through the available categories and select the appropriate one. Also, remember each proposal you send in will take away your points. To earn more points, you need to land a job. That's why it's essential to have a good proposal. The client may require you to have certain skills or answer a specific question, so make sure that you read the job posting very carefully and understand it well before submitting your proposal. Number 2. Find gigs looking for translations. Translation by using Google Translate is a very easy way of making money. Now that you've registered on several freelancing websites, it's time to start making money from them. When you start looking for jobs on these websites, you will find translation jobs. Here are a few ways to find jobs on the sites you registered. On Latium, you will search for translation jobs posted by clients. It's advisable to opt for the immediate hire jobs so that you can start right away as opposed to the bid jobs. With the bid jobs, you will be competing with many other freelancers, so you might have a lower chance of getting the job unless you have a super polished resume and proposal ready. For Upwork, it's a similar process to Latium. You will find job positions looking for a translator, which you will then send in proposals for all of them. Make sure your proposal is professional and you're a fit for the task. Send in as many proposals as you can to have a better chance of getting the job. Answer any questions you may be asked in the job posting. Fiverr works a bit differently than other websites. For Fiverr, it is a slight bit different from other websites. Here, you will need to set up a job page. Set up a page that states you offer translation services. Start with affordable prices to attract many clients. Once you have a large client base, you can raise your prices. On Fiverr, you can specify the type of payment system you want. It can be one price for all or a 3-tiered payment system. With the 3-tiered payment system, you will offer 3 different prices depending on the project specifications. Say that you want to charge extra for more pages, on Fiverr you can do that. Find the prices that create a best profit for you and then set them. Then, wait for the clients to come to you. It may take some time, but once you get one job, you'll get many others. Number 1. Translate with Google Translate. Google Translate is a platform developed by Google that interprets words and phrases from one language to another. Many people use it and it has an accuracy rate of 90%. You can use it to earn. To earn from it, you will source jobs from the freelancing websites and translate them through Google Translate. Say someone needs you to translate a French document into English. You don't actually need to understand French to do this. Just take the document, copy it, and then paste it into Google Translate. You will then have a translation that is from French to English. Take the English portion and polish it up so it's grammatically correct. Then submit that work. Using Google Translate, you can translate anything from Russian to German, French to Korean. The possibilities are virtually endless. It is a great technique for earning money. Try it out today. Thanks for watching, and while you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.